2020. Back to Glamis. Season is started again. Saturday morning, the 17th, 7 a.m. How you doing? Pretty excited to be here. Gonna be a hot weekend. So here's the story. It is just Haley and I now for the weekend. And by the way, meet Haley, fellas, guys. Haley, meet guys and fellas. She's the girlfriend. So, anyways, Sean, you know Sean from Fixing the Razor, was supposed to be here right now. He's supposed to literally be parked where I'm standing. And unfortunately, he left last night, Friday, and spent 5 hours going out to, got as far as Moreno Valley, he said. We live in Orange County. 5 hours, turned around, had to go back because the brakes on his motorhome are shot. So something's happening. It's got a brake master cylinder leak, brake fluid leak somewhere. I don't know. He sent me a picture. Hard to tell, but brakes weren't working, brakes were smoking, all bad things. So that's a real bummer. I was really looking forward to him being here and Abby. Unfortunately, they're not going to make it, and it's going to be just the two of us for the weekend. Not that we're not going to have fun, but you know, that means now I don't know what kind of recording I'm going to do. Can't push as hard, can't go as far, can't really ride too far solo on the dirt bike, so it changes the whole dynamic of the weekend. But what are you going to do? Just going to have a good time anyways. So today's plan, ride. It's really all that we have planned. Going to be hot. I think it's supposed to be around 100 degrees today. But it's going to be a kick-ass weekend. So I hope you guys enjoy the videos. Hopefully some good footage comes out of it. And yeah, just happy to be back in Glamis. We'll be here for Thanksgiving weekend, and we'll be here for New Year's weekend. So that's the next two trips. Otherwise, just going to have a really good time. Weather feels so good right now. Slept with the air conditioner running all freaking night. Generator's been running for like 19 straight hours. So anyways, guys, thank you. Enjoy the videos. Next scene, probably riding some. All right, I'm gonna get some sweet drone footage too. You probably already saw that. Okay, bye. What'd you think of the first ride?
It was awesome.
Did you like it?
Loved it.
No motion sickness.
Nope.
Big dunes. We're out in the big dunes, so Osborne's right over there, and we came up over Olds. And I thought for sure I'd make her a little bit sick, but she seems to have the iron stomach, thank God. But we just posted up on the top of this dune. let the car cool down a little bit. It's going to be so freaking hot today. It already feels like it's creeping up towards 90. I don't know. But we're just taking a quick water break, did a little bit of drone footage, and we're probably going to go hit comp here right behind us so she can see that. We might cruise Sand Highway a little bit because she hasn't been here, so we're going to just show her all the sights. Might even go to the Glamis Beach store because we need some more ice cream for pie tonight.
Give me all the ice cream.
Right? We're going to go get some ice cream and, I don't know, just have a good day. I'll get on my dirt bike eventually. And I think we're going to have Haley drive the RZR out to Olds maybe this afternoon. But we're going to take Sand Highway so she can just stay on the flats, feel comfortable with it, and I can ride my dirt bike. She's not nervous at all.
No.
She's a little nervous.
No.
You're not nervous?
A little nervous.
We're going to make a rider out of her yet, boys. Alright, so we just stopped at the beach store to grab, she grabbed a hat and some corn nuts and some ice cream. And it's getting hot, so it's 11 o'clock. We just had some lunch, and I think, you know, she's really excited to drive, so what we're going to do, can you tell I'm freaking sweating already in this dirt bike outfit? I want to ride my dirt bike, so to be safe and have her enjoy getting used to riding or driving the RZR, which she really wants to do. There's nobody here, super dead this weekend. We're just going to take the Whoops Sand Highway, and she's going to follow me. We're going to go to Olds, and I'll hit the hill and have some fun. And if she feels like trying it out, going up, coming down, I see no problem with that. We'll let her give it a shot. And so that's the plan. We're just going to cruise out there, have a little bit of fun at the hill, and then we'll come back, probably cool off this afternoon, and then figure it out from there. So, like I said, a little different without Sean here, being here solo again. It's just makes it, like, I don't know, kind of interesting. Want to do big rides, but you really can't, so kind of can, kind of can't. China Wall tomorrow. Okay, I'm going to stop rambling. We're going to go right now. All right, bye. I don't know, I was watching in the lens. It looked good. It looked good. Oh God, it's hot.
Right?
Yeah, she did really good. Went up and down as you guys saw, and no problems whatsoever. Got to give her credit, man. Coming out here, never doing off-road stuff, never been to Glamis, never experienced any of this at all. And she was like, yeah, I want to drive, and I felt comfortable with it. We did a little bit of driving off camera yesterday. The first day that we got here, I had her drive around a little bit with me in the car. Seemed good. Got the hang of it, you know, pretty easily. So I felt confident in her being able to go do that. She did awesome. So Had a good time playing on the dirt bike. It's hot. It's 2:30. We've been here a minute. ACs are on inside, and yeah, we're just hanging out. So probably gonna do an afternoon ride, and then we'll probably just start drinking and start doing dinner tonight. So got enchiladas going. That sounds freaking good, and pie. Might have to film some of this. You guys might have to see the ridiculous amount of food that's gonna go down tonight. So sorry, Sean and Abby should have been here for it. This was your meal tonight. We're gonna be eating it without you. So anyways, that's the plan, hanging out, and full day of riding tomorrow. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today. It was fun. We're gonna go out to China Wall tomorrow, and I don't think I'll have her drive that, but I want to show her basically China Wall, and I'll be driving the RZR. So gonna be a good day. Hang in there for that. All right, guys. Appreciate you. Bye.